Hey there, baseball fans. It's Ben, and I'm back coming at you with more from this 1994 Score Series 1 hobby box. I've gone through quite a bit of it so far, and now we're going to dive in even more and find some amazing cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, I can do it for this one. I'm going to find all the inserts I ever wanted, and I'm going to find the players I want, and I'm manifesting positivity by talking to you and telling you what I'm going to find. So, here we go. Let's see if that works. First off, there's Fenway Park, my home stadium these days. So that's nice. Getting a little bit of paper loss here because they were sticking together a bit. There's Mike Jackson. Tom Kramer, rookie card. Dun, 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 dun. Skeeter Barnes. Our gold card in this pack is Jeff Nelson with a lot of paper loss. Randy Johnson, the big unit. There's a good one. There's our first Hall of Famer. Here is Terry Steinbeck after a big collision. You don't see that stuff much anymore. There's Carlos Baerga, smiling at Kenny Lofton and Sandy Alomar Jr. After a great play. There's Wally Joyner, Joe Carter. Man, it's a shame that these are so stuck together. There's Dave Stewart. Even though it was a factory sealed wax box, it's got to be heat, probably as opposed to humidity. But, and oh, look, there's Jim Thome. So another Hall of Famer. So one pack, 2 Hall of Famers. You can't complain about that. There's an awkward pose by Rafael Belliard. A relaxed pose by Jamie Moyer. Rich Rowland sliding in there to make a play. And these are way more stuck together than the last ones even. Jeff Reardon and Eric Karros for a gold card. That's not too bad. There's Joe Girardi on the Rockies. Mike Perez. Mike Harkey. Let's see how many mics we can get in a row. Just the 2, I guess. There it is. Who is that? Andujar Cedeno. Look at that. There's a Barry Bonds. It's a good-looking card there. Nice one. Jim Leyritz. Willie Blair. John Franco. And Gene Harris. So far, good stuff. Not great stuff, but good stuff. Nothing I'm excited about yet. Let's see if we can find something a little more exciting here. John Hayen. Man, these are just bricked. Hope I don't find one I really like that's got some paper loss. There's Bob Zupsik. Ricky Gutierrez, rookie. 93 rookie. Mike Sharperson. And Mark Portugal for the gold card. Mickey Tettleton. Lance Johnson. Mark Langston. Chuck Knobloch. Greg Gagne. Trevor Wilson. Jamie Navarro, Stan Belinda, and Tim Hewlett. Alright, so still not doing so great here. Looks like we're going to get a Steve Avery in here. There's a Steve Sachs, Rod Brewer, Paul Ossenmacher, Graham Lloyd, Jeff S., Gold card. Ooh, the gold card is a season's highlights gold card of Mark Whiten. Some paper loss, unfortunately. And season highlight is 4 home runs in 1 game. Awesome. Jack McDowell. Dave Magadan. Eric Karros. The base card, we had the gold already. Darren Daulton. Willie Willis with a great catch for the Cubs there. Jack Doherty. Candy Maldonado. And our Steve Avery that we saw on the back. And for one of these gold stars cards is what I'm looking for here. That's the insert we're after. Gene Nelson. Phil Clark. I have gotten, I think, all or most of my favorite players in here. Mark Grace, etc., etc., and Ryan Sandberg. So I don't know that I'm going to keep looking for them. And Darren Daulton. There's our gold card. Again, paper loss problems. Donovan Osborne. BJ Surhoff. Mike Greenwell, good shot of him. Look at that. It's a great picture. Don White. Mark Williamson. Doug Strange. Tony Castillo. And Brent Maine. Alright, there's Damon Berryhill. That's a nice shot of him. That's one you can put on your wall, Damon. There's Todd Jones, 93 rookie. Scott Servais. Jesse Orozco. And Paul Froworth. Our gold card is Darren Holmes. There's John Kruk. Oh, man, that's a good portrait of him. I was cheering for him when I was in Philly. Jay Bell. There's a Craig Biggio. There's another Hall of Famer. It's been a while for us now. Jose Rio with his little squirt gun. Quite a character. Mark Williamson again. Doug Strange again. Tony Castillo. And Brent Maine again. And our last pack. Vinny Castilla, rookie card. Lee Smith, there's a Hall of Fame pitcher on the Yankees there. Joe Klink, Ruben Amaro Jr., Chris Gomez, rookie. Our gold card is, what will it be? What will it be? Ooh, Toronto. Checklist, all right. Corey Snyder. Cal Ripken Jr. There you go. There's a good Hall of Famer for you. Nice shot of old Cal. Gary Sheffield. Putting up some big numbers. Scott Livingstone. Bill Hasselman. Gary Redus. And Danny Jackson. So that'll do it for us. Fairly lackluster, I guess. We got Sheffield, Cal Ripken Jr., Lee Smith, Biggio, Steve Avery, Eric Karros, Barry Bonds, Jim Thome, and Randy Johnson. So, average at best, but you can't win them all. See you next time to maybe finish off this box. Bye.